Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cook pickled carrots or Atsarang carrots. And here are our ingredients. Start with our carrots, granulated sugar, vinegar, black peppercorn, dried raisin, onion, bell pepper, pineapple slices, ginger, garlic, and salt. Let us prepare our ingredients by starting with our onion, by peeling the skin off and cut into thin slices. Usually back home in the Philippines, we use fresh papaya for this dish, but because it's hard to find a fresh papaya in our place here in abroad, I substituted it with carrots, which is very abundant in our locality. This kind of dish is very popular on many occasions like wedding, christening, birthday parties, and other special occasions and gatherings. For breaking the taste of eating too much fatty food like roast pork. This dish is very simple and straightforward to make. Back on our onion, cut into thin slices the same way that I am doing. Next is our ginger. Just peel off the skin and cut the same way as what we did on our onion. Followed by our garlic. We'll be using just about 6 cloves of our garlic. Peel the skin off and slice thinly. Followed by our bell pepper. Just make sure to take off all the seeds from the bell pepper and start cutting it into thin slices, same as other. On a clean bowl, we're going to start shredding our carrots. You can use, if you have an electric processor, it's much better to use, but in this case I'll be showing you how to shred it manually. But in this process, you will just need an extra patience doing it shredding until all the carrots is finished. By doing this, just be careful to watch for your hand or finger because our shredding equipment are very sharp. Just do it on the same process on the remaining carrots until we're finished shredding all the carrots before proceeding to our next procedure. After shredding all our carrots, we have to make sure to remove the water from our carrots by squeezing it tightly using our hand. Now we'll start squeezing our carrots. doing this process, the lifespan of our pickle will be much longer. And tastier. Please guys, continue to support our YouTube channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and comment to our videos on our YouTube channel to inspire us to upload more videos in the future. You can also find this video recipe on our Facebook page, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. And our Instagram, Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Now that our carrots are finished taking off all the water, just transfer it in a big bowl for our next procedure. At this point in time, we're going to make a brine for this dish. In a clean pot, just pour in our vinegar, sugar, our salt, black peppercorn, and mix it. Followed by our onion, ginger, and garlic. Just mix it, and also our pineapple juice to add on this brine. That will give an extra sour and sweet flavor. Just mix all the brine and wait it to boil. Now it's starting to boil. At this point in time, we're going to add some of our remaining ingredients. Our dried raisin, bell pepper slice, and mix it again thoroughly. We'll wait it again to boil. While waiting, we have to prepare our pineapple slices, cut in small pieces, and we're going to add on our brine solution. Now it's boiling, it's time to add our pineapple slices. We'll wait to boil the brine again. the second point of boiling. We're done with our brine solution. Just turn up the fire and mix it with our shredded carrots. And mix all the brine and shredded carrots thoroughly to incorporate each other. And we're finished with our pickled carrots or Atsarang carrots. We'll be needing some clean jar to transfer our pickled carrots for further process of refrigeration to lengthen the life of our pickled carrots. It's now time to transfer our pickled carrots to our clean jars and leave it to cool on a cooling rack before putting in a refrigerator to longer the life of this dish. After putting all our pickled carrots into our clean jars, leave it in the cooling rack to cool before putting it in our refrigerator for future use. Or you can eat it straight away, partner with our pork barbecue, roast pork, fried fish, or seafoods. Whatever food that you think that suits for this recipe. Again guys, please help us to grow our YouTube channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and also comment for this recipe, and visit our other videos in our YouTube channel for more videos of DIY and cooking for you to watch and apply to your everyday life. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy eating! Bye-bye!